Something that has seemingly grown more prevalent over the years is that loss of connection to one another.
There's divisiveness and feelings of being left behind, and rage. While the causes vary and the solutions even more unclear, one thing's for sure, a house divided will not stand.
I think about this often as someone who has built a company that is solely based upon bringing people together.
If you consider some of the most tumultuous and defining times in our country, whether the 1960s, the Civil Rights Movement, or the 9/11 terrorist attacks,
A cornerstone of those times were people coming together.
from nonviolent marches to pop-up memorials,
The strength of combating injustice and healing from tragedy was sustained by unity rather than division. And this is a great reminder of the power that meetings and events can have in our communities and the positive impact they have on our way of life.
At JDC Events, we have so many moving stories about how our client events transformed their organization. Boosting morale, strengthening relationships, creating industry leaders are just some of the results. There's no doubt that we can go farther faster and do more together.
So keep meeting and watch how bringing people together can be the cure for building a stronger world.